The Aling Aling Waterfall is a great spot in Bali for adrenaline speakers and photographers alike. It's a green jungle ravine in Sambangan with a giant twin waterfall and then three small waterfalls where you can enjoy cliff jumping, water slides, and natural pools. Aling Aling has four different waterfalls that are great for pictures, cliff jumping, and natural water slides. If you plan to do cliff jumping, the staff will make you hire a guide and a life jacket. I can't really follow that rule because there have been some legit injuries here by people jumping in the wrong places. We'll just go over the four waterfalls at Aling Aling, which is like Aling Aling Waterfall, Kroya Waterfall, Kembar Waterfall, and Pucuk Waterfall. You can easily walk between each of these waterfalls and they are just few minutes apart. There is a sign at the entrance giving clear directions to the falls. Kroya Waterfall. Kroya is one of the waterfall for jumping. The plank is there for here to jump, which is 5-meter jump, and you can go around to the top of the waterfall and slide down it. It will be great fun. The next waterfall is Kembar Waterfall. This is a big twin waterfall with 10 to 15-meter cliff jump. Do if you dare it. It's higher than it looks in the photos. Be extra careful with this one because it's a long drop and you want to long and where the water is plenty deep. Your guide can point out this for you. The next one is the Pucuk Waterfall, and it is the most quiet. There is no jumping at this one, but you can swim or take pictures. The opening hours is 8 am to 5 pm. The entrance fee is for four waterfalls is 20,000 IDR. Four waterfalls, cliff and guide cost you around 125k IDR. The normal entrance fee is 20k rupiah and you get to visit all four waterfalls, but no jumping is allowed. They make you extra pay for the water activities or slides or cliff jumping. The Aling Aling Waterfalls are located in North Bali near Singaraja. It's a 2 to 2.5 hours drive from touristy areas of South Bali like Ubud, Kambu or Kuta. waterfall is the main waterfall here. It's an epic twin waterfall with a height of about 35 meters, 115 feet. The pictures don't do justice. This is a big tall waterfall and it puts a ton of mist. Watch out your electronics. And there is no cliff jumping here as it's very big and strong, although you can go for a swim in the pool if you are feeling determined. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be sharing the videos for the next day. Thank you for watching.